So hey there guys, today we are going to be looking at Python mini project ideas for beginners. Now this is not a Python tutorial but an idea for people who are learning Python. Now as you can see, this is not a tutorial, just an idea. There are only 3 of them. And they're only for beginners who know all the Python syntaxes, comments, variables. I'm going to be making about data types later this channel. So 0. Is this a tutorial? No, no, no not. This is just ideas for mini projects. Will make soon. Yes, I will make soon. First, Hello World. Hello World is known as your first project. I have shown you about this a month ago as of the recording of this video. Now this is actually fake. I'm recording this about 2 days after Christmas Day, so I was about to schedule this for this date, but I had school, so that's why. 2. Inputs. Inputs. The second step for your Python learning. To do this, you need to open PyCharm and type this. X is equal to input, what is your name? Print hello there plus X. This is not actually true. I am going to, when next time I open PyCharm, I'm going to make sure to run this command. If you have any errors, please type it in the comments below. 3. This is the last one. Data type print. Note, we are learning about data types later in this channel. Here's the code. X is equal to hello there cat. This is a string. Whoops. Whoops guys. Y is equal to 2. This is an integer. String means it is this. X is equal to hello there cat. And y is equal to 2. This means an integer. Then print x plus y. This will say hello there cat without a space and 2. So I recommend you putting space over here, and this is it. Hope you guys like this small video. So hope you did smash the like button, but before that I'm going to give you an announcement. That the announcement is that this may be my last video of the year. I just want to give you that thank you all my subscribers for subscribing to me. This is really good. I'm feeling good inside. And also and also note that if you're watching this, please follow along all the Scratch and Python tutorials. I don't get any views on Python tutorials, so please watch. After watching this, watch all my other Python videos. There's so much hard work to do, so please subscribe, like, smash the like button, and see you guys next time.